What if I told you that you can achieve perfect health, wealth, and happiness with the help of this book? Doesn't that sound wonderful and too good to be true? I know it does, but surprisingly, all of these things are achievable provided you keep your mind open to new concepts. If you're still here, then let's start with the basics. According to the author, there is this thing called infinite intelligence that has solutions to all our problems. And the only way to connect to this intelligence is through our subconscious mind, provided it is open and receptive to new ideas. The method with which we can make this connection is called scientific prayer. Now, don't get confused with its name, because it simply means conveying your intense desire to your subconscious mind. So, let's just call it affirmations. So that was the basic concept. Now let's see how to use this method to achieve whatever it is that you really want. Get relaxed and comfortable by sitting in a chair or lying down in bed. Take a few deep breaths and let go of worries to induce mental passivity, because that is the state where our minds are most receptive. Then start repeating the words that align with your idea of perfect health, wealth, and happiness. Condense your affirmations into as few words as possible, so it becomes easier to repeat these affirmations multiple times before you fall asleep. Sketch the words with your lips and tongue so that you won't get distracted. Instead of focusing on 10 things at a time, focus on one specific goal or a thing that you really want. Try your best to visualize whatever it is that you desire so that your subconscious mind can work in the right direction. Don't just repeat your affirmations like a robot. Feel your words and feed them to your subconscious mind with authority, because your subconscious mind can be a great servant only if you are a good master. Moreover, it is neutral in nature. Its job is to bring forth the results based on your dominant thoughts, whether they are positive or negative. So it is totally up to us to watch and rectify our thoughts. So that was the affirmation part, but before you go and try out this method, let me share with you some tips without which you probably won't get the expected results. It is advised to use this technique with complete simplicity and naivety, because no amount of rational thinking from our conscious brain can match what our subconscious mind achieves on a daily basis. For example, proper functioning and maintaining bodily functions like breathing, blood circulation, digestion, and elimination, etc. etc. Refrain as much as possible from using negative statements. Whenever you catch yourself saying something negative, turn that statement into a positive one. If you have a habit of cracking silly yet harmful jokes, then you should stop doing that as well, because our subconscious mind can't tell the difference between a joke and a serious thought. And it will bring forth the results based on your dominant thoughts. Instead of running away from your problems, spend some time with them and try to come up with a solution. If that doesn't work, then hand over your problems to infinite intelligence and then get busy with your daily routine. Chances are you will get an answer in the form of an opportunity, idea, hunch, or a gut feeling. Sometimes it takes a few days or even months to get an answer, so it is important to not get discouraged easily. Remember, a sense of expectancy and patience is crucial for this method to work. It is pretty normal to feel sad or low every now and then, but it is not normal to cling to your problems for too long. Brooding for a long time can send negative signals to your subconscious mind, which will then bring forth the results accordingly, whether you like them or not. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching or listening, and I will catch you in the next one.